Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kathy. Today we're going to differentiate different types of wine and alcohol in Chinese. Let's start with white wine. 白酒. 白 means white. 酒 means alcohol. 白酒 means white wine. 白酒. 白酒. Again, 白酒. 白酒. Red wine. 红酒. 红 means red. 酒 means alcohol or wine. 红酒 means red wine. Again, 红酒. 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 There's another term that includes white wine, red wine, and pink wine. Chinese is called grape wine. 葡萄酒. 葡萄 means grape. 酒 means alcohol. So 葡萄酒 includes white wine, red wine, and the pink peachy colored wine. Again, 葡萄酒. 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 Hard liquor. 烈酒. 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 Again, 烈酒. Cooking wine. 料酒. 料酒. Again, 料酒. 料酒. Beer. 啤酒. 啤酒. Again, 啤酒. 啤酒. Rubbing alcohol. 酒精. Again, 酒精. 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 Bar is called 酒吧. 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 Again, 酒吧. So if you like to order a glass of red wine, this is what you say. 我要点一杯红酒. Again, 我 means I. 要 means want. 点 means order. 一杯 means a glass. 红酒 means red wine. 我要点一杯红酒. Again, 我要点一杯红酒. 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 To speak it at regular speed, you would say, 我要点一杯红酒. To order a bottle of red wine, you would say, 我要点一瓶红酒. 一瓶 means a bottle. 我要点一瓶红酒. Again, 我要点一瓶红酒. 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 Very good. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. See you next lesson.